Talking about the stocks and news, we have IRFC in focus today after the company has signed a major loan agreement with SBMC via its GIFT City branch in Gujarat, and under this agreement, IRFC will be raising ECBs worth $300 million denominated in Japanese yen, and these funds are expected to support the financing needs of Indian Railways. Talking about Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Housing Finance, in the next we have Bajaj Finance making headlines after selling nearly 2% of its equity shares in its subsidiary Bajaj Housing Finance in an open market deal through a bulk deal. The transaction is valued at 1,588 crores, and with this sale, Bajaj Finance's shareholding in its subsidiary now stands at 86.7%. Next, moving on to Bank of Maharashtra with the OFS update. The Bank of Maharashtra's offer for sale saw a very strong investor participation on day one, with the OFS being subscribed nearly 4.07 times, and the government is divesting its 5% equity stake with an additional 1% via the green shoe option, aiming to raise around 2,500 crore rupees via this sale. Then we have Canara Bank in focus, as the company has successfully raised 3,500 crore rupees via the issuance of bonds. Next, we have Bikaji Foods in line. The company is in news after the company has invested an additional $250,000 in its subsidiary Bikaji Food International USA. Lastly, let's talk about Hindustan Copper. Keep the stock on a radar, as the company has signed an MOU with the National Metallurgical Laboratory, and the two organizations will jointly participate in the auctions for copper and other critical mineral blocks. The collaboration is aimed at enhancing the domestic mineral exploration and also strategic securing resources ahead.